SonarQube is an open-source platform designed for seamless code quality control. The SonarQube web interface enables you to filter messages, navigate through code to analyze errors, assign tasks and track their progress, analyze error trends and assess overall project code quality. The PVS-Studio plugin allows you to add analyzer messages to the SonarQube message database. You can download the plugin on the download page. The plugin for SonarQube requires Java 11 or later, SonarQube 7.6 or later, the PVS-Studio Analyzer installed, and a PVS-Studio Enterprise license. Note that there are different PVS-Studio plugins depending on the SonarQube version. One is for versions from 7.6 to 10.1, and another is for versions 10.2 and later. In the video, we'll show you how to integrate the PVS-Studio analysis results into SonarQube using a C++ project check as an example. To work with C++ projects in SonarQube, download the SonarQube CXX Community plugin. It adds support for C++ projects in SonarQube. Install all the downloaded plugins. Go to the SonarQube installation directory, open the Extensions Plugins folder, and paste the copied jar files of plugins into it. If SonarQube is running before you copy the plugins, restart it. To handle the analyzer report in SonarQube, create a quality profile. It's a set of diagnostic rules obtained from various analyzers. In the quality profile, you can flag diagnostic rules relevant to your project. The PVS-Studio diagnostic rules can be enabled both in existing and in new profiles. Create a new profile in the Quality Profiles Create menu. When creating a new profile, specify the programming language. In our case, it's C++ or CXX for SonarQube, and set the profile name. In the Quality Profile, click Activate More to go to the Warning Selection page. The PVS-Studio warnings are categorized into several groups. Not all may be relevant for your current project. You can filter out warnings by the following tags in the Filters Tags panel. General Analysis, Micro-Optimizations, 64-bit Errors, MISRA, Customers-Specific Diagnostic Rules, Analyzer Fails. We are applying all PVS-Studio diagnostic rules for our profile. Select the PVS-Studio repository you need in the Filter Repository panel. Then click the Bug Change Activate In button. Next, set the new quality profile as the default profile. Go to Quality Profiles. In the settings of the newly created profile, click Set as Default. SonarQube now automatically uses the profile to analyze C++ projects. You also need to configure the CXX Community plugin before running the first analysis. On the Administration tab, open the CXX section and add the file extensions to be analyzed. SonarQube is ready for your project analysis. To run the analysis in SonarQube, create a project. To do it, click Create a local project in the Project tab. Then, if necessary, specify the project name and its main branch. Now select the SonarQube settings for this project. We'll select the default settings and click Create Project. Now, on the project page, select the analysis method. We're going to analyze a local project, so we select Locally. Here, click Generate to create a token to analyze the project. We'll need the token later. Now you need to get the PVS-Studio Analyzer report. For MS-built projects, use the PVS-Studio CMD utility to generate the report. You can find the utility in the PVS-Studio installation directory. After PVS-Studio analyzes the code, import the report to SonarQube using the Sonar scanner. For more details, consult the guide on the SonarQube website. To run the analysis, execute the following command from the project directory. Project is the project name in SonarQube. URL is the SonarQube server address. Token is the project token you get when you create the project. And project log is the PVS-Studio Analyzer report. After executing the command and waiting for a bit, the analysis results appear on the project page in SonarQube. The number of analyzer warnings by different categories is displayed in the Projects section of the project page. In this section, you can also see how many warnings were issued for the new code. However, this is available only after reanalysis and if the code has changes. The Issues page lists all analyzer warnings. You can sort them by tags. For example, PVS-Studio General Analysis shows only general diagnostic rules. If you click on a particular warning, you see its location in the code. The Measures tab allows you to track different metrics. For example, in the PVS-Studio section, you can see the number of potential vulnerabilities with the CWE tag. So, we've shown you how to work with the PVS-Studio plugin for SonarQube and highlighted its key features. If you need more information, welcome to our documentation through the link in the description. Thanks for watching.